welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips. Hope you enjoy my videos, and of course don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share any of my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comment section below. Or you can even email me. My email will be also in the description below. Ever go to the App Store and try to download the macOS update, Big Sur, and for some reason it's not working? You click on it and it shows that it's loading and then nothing happens at all. Or you get a calculating bar, but it never seems to finish. It just keeps saying calculating. I have some pictures here actually to show you. It'll be calculating and the bar will never move. It'll just stay like that for some reason. Or for the second photo, if you hit download, the download will just be white, and that's it. Well, worry no more. I'm going to show you guys how to update from an old version of macOS to Big Sur and every single operating system in between. You can actually go from, let's say, Big Sur to, from High Sierra to Catalina, and if that's all you want, then you can stop there. Doesn't really matter. I'm just going to show you guys where to get it, first of all, and the order in which the operating systems come in. Okay. So first, we're going to talk about what order they're in. This will also be in the description below. So the most recent one will be Big Sur. Second one will be Catalina. Third one will be Mojave, I think. Next one will be High Sierra. One after that will be just Sierra. One after that will be El Capitan. And the last one will be Yosemite. I think that's how you say it. Don't critique me. I don't have the best pronunciation in the world. So, let's find where we're going to go and get these. So, we'll go to the internet browser. I'm going to open up Safari. And from here, we're going to go with www. Or actually, let's go https://support.apple.com-n. No need to worry. I will also put this in the description. And this is actually, I pulled this right from the Apple support website. So I'll hit enter here. And from here, it'll just give you a bunch of instructions, keep up to date, make difference. So here, actually, you will find all your operating systems. So if you have Sierra, then you'll have to download High Sierra, Mojave, let's just say Mojave, and Catalina, and then Big Sur if you want it. But let's just say you just want to go to Catalina, then you'll have to, if you're at High Sierra, then you'll have to download Mojave and then Catalina. So how you actually get the file is let's say you're at High Sierra and you want to download Mojave, you'll just left click on Mojave, it'll connect you to the Apple Store, and there you go. And then you'll hit get, start it, download it, make sure that everything is all good, and then after that you will it takes some time. Of course, time obviously varies because of internet connection and just how fast your processor is and whatnot. And then if you want Catalina, then you'll have to also click on Catalina. And then it'll direct you to the App Store again. Give it a second. And then you can download Catalina as well. One thing to note, of course, is that time obviously varies. It could be between an hour, 2 hours. Really depends. Also, you can't find the operating system if you just if you just go on the Apple Store and then you type in, you won't be able to find it. I don't know why Apple did that, but for some reason they just don't want you to find it, I guess, or have access to it unless you go through the website. So, yeah, so all of them are right here. You can update Yosemite, El Capitan, Sierra, High Sierra, Mojave, Catalina, and then Big Sur. So I'll go to the App Store real quick. Big Sur is the only one that is available where you can download, which you'll be able to see. Also, one more thing to note, you are not able, and I repeat, you are unable to skip from Sierra, High Sierra, and Mojave right to Big Sur. Apple, for some reason, made it like that, where you have to actually go in sequence of all of the operating systems, which makes sense because High Sierra is 10.13, Mojave is 10.14, and then 15, and then 10.15 Catalina. So it makes sense, but also it's kind of a hassle. But yeah, that's basically it. Thanks guys for watching. I'm How to Tech Tips. Keep teching on.